How we doing, people? It's Sunday. I said we're going to change the oil on our over there. So let's warm her up, take her around the block, get the engine nice and warm, and we'll change the oil. Let's do it. Right, we've been round the block, we've warmed her up. Dipsticks undipped, drain pans in place, 9/16 on the, I'm laying down, giving it a pose. So let's quickly get this oil changed, shall we? Stop messing around. God, that oil's warm for just going around the corner. Oh, burny fingers. Just before we move on, that oil's still, oh, there we are, that oil's still clean. Look, there's no particulate, there's no bits and bobs on there. On the magnet, still in pretty good shape. Happy with that. So just while the oil's draining in that one, for the sake of full disclosure, I change my oil twice a year, sometimes 3. Every sort of 3,500 miles ish. I know you can leave it longer, but for the sake of 50 quid, oil and filter minimum, not all 3 holes, just the engine oil, but for the sake of 50 quid, it keeps your engine happy. So why would you not? If you can do it yourself, it's a fairly mindless task. You don't have to do it that much, but if you want to, go for it. Do it 2-3 times a year. It don't cost a lot, and your engine will thank you for it in the long run. So unlike my brother's bike we did the other night, mine does require the gear linkage to be removed so I can get to the filter, which is always the messy bit, but that's done. Crack on with changing the filter now as the oil's empty. Alright, old filter is off, new filter is going on, fresh out of the box. Get a little finger dip of this oil. It's in real good shape actually. Like I say, probably didn't need changing, but you know, OCD and that. Some people pre-fill their filters, I don't. Purely because I'm lazy and I don't think it needs it. The oil pump gets it around pretty quick. So it's like fucking Jenga putting this thing in. Until it seats nicely. Again, that's that seated, and then I'll just nip it up in a sec. So, as we discovered in a previous lesson, it's 4 cups approximately to a quart. And unlike my brother, I'm not going to lick it because I'm not weird. He is right though, the little funnel is a pain in the arse. I can't find my Harley one. Oh, fuck's sake. I was trying to double funnel, but that's not happening. Oh, that's really annoying. Okay, leave it with me. It's going to take some time. It's Vinny, look. So what after feels like forever, I've managed to decanter 3.5 quarts of oil from the container into the bike and the floor. But it's in there. It's lubed. It's lubed. Started it. I'm just letting it drain down a little bit. I'm gonna measure the levels. I've got a feeling it might be a little bit over. I'm gonna have to take some out, but that's not the end of the world. It's not a huge problem. But yeah, there's oil in it. And done. Levels are perfect, just under full. Stood upright. We're about to lose another microfiber to the oil gods as I clean up the oil pan. But you really didn't need to see me doing the oil change. You saw Nick doing this the other night, and it's exactly the same process. It's pretty much the same engine. So there we have it. The oil change is complete, which puts us in a good place for our trip in a couple of weeks' time, down to France and down to the coast. Happy about that. Like I say, it probably didn't need it. I'm a bit overzealous when it comes to changing the oil, but better safe than sorry, as my dad says. So yeah, oil change complete. What a day. Stay at me. So that's it, oil change done. All that's left to do is remove the bug residue from warming her up, because we just went around the block and warmed her up. We didn't go far. Yeah. See you later, people. Be good. Bye.